So, we're about to start the new academic year, 2019 to 20, and it's going to be a special year. So this is a little trailer to say that Ginny Jeffries and James Bamber founded the original London Centre for Psychodrama and Group Analytic Psychotherapy, as it was, in 1990. 30 years ago, during this academic year. So we are definitely going to do something to mark the 30th birthday of this training. Stay tuned. We haven't decided quite what yet. As soon as we have, we will communicate it. And apart from that, we're pleased this year to be welcoming Anna Napier to do some teaching, and also Clark Bain, and also Hannes Kral from Austria. So we've got some exciting guest teachers, as well as Ginny Jeffries, myself, Maxine Daniels and Chris Andrews, who are the more regular crew. So, welcome everyone, please visit.